How much capital is needed to open this modern automatic car wash? One of the questions that most customers are interested in when learning about the modern automatic car wash model is how much capital is needed to open an automatic car wash. In fact, capital is the first important factor when you start any business model. And with automatic car washes, the capital is also very flexible. Many people think that opening an automatic car wash will definitely require billions of dollars, but in reality, that is not the case. Currently, with the automatic car wash technology that Go&Go is providing, you can start from only about $10,000. At the capital level, you will have a basic system, sustainable for those who want to try or have a small location. Stable customers do not need too much investment. If you want to upgrade more features and enhance the customer experience, the capital will be around $15,000 to $20,000. And if you have a large-scale investment orientation, opening a professional automatic car workshop with a full lift and the carriage burst, modern driving system, smart surveillance camera, the capital can be around $35,000. What is the most important? Go&Go does not give a fixed number for all customers, but always listen to the need, design, and financial capability of each customer to design and advise the most suitable model. There are customers who only need a basic system, but located in the densely populated location, still attracting a large number of customers and quickly recovering capital. On the contrary, there are also customers who invest systematically and grow from the beginning to exploit more combined car care service, thereby bringing in outstanding income. When investing in an automatic car wash model, you are not only investing capital to buy a machine, but also investing in an effective business solution, less dependent on labor, saving operating costs, and especially bringing satisfaction to customers because of the fast, clean, convenient service. A car only takes about 7 to 8 minutes to wash, and with this capacity, you can completely serve dozens to hundreds of customers every day, creating a stable, long-term revenue stream. Many Go&Go customers said that they used to worry about whether they could do it with little capital, but after installation a suitable model, they do not recover their capital faster than expected, but also has the motivation to expand further. This shows that the problem is not how much capital you have, but the important thing is to choose the right model from the beginning to suit your resources. And this is the value that Go&Go is always committed to bringing, designing a solution specifically for each customer. The important thing is not how much it costs, but what value do you get. With Go&Go automatic car wash system, you can clean your car in just 7 to 8 minutes, saving time for customers, washing hundreds of cars every day without needing too many workers. It only takes a short time to recover your capital. Not only that, owning a modern professional machine, it also makes your shop different from traditional car washes. Today, customers want speed, convenience, and especially they like new experience. So when they see the shop with an automatic car wash, they will definitely choose this. Whether you have a $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 or more, rest assured that you can start with Go&Go. The important thing is to determine your business goal and choose the right time to start. And I would also like to emphasize the golden time to invest is right now, because the trend of customer is increasingly favoring fast, clean car wash service without long waiting, and the demand will increase even more at the end of the year. If you delay, you might miss the opportunity to dominate the market early. So if you want hesitant, come and experience Go&Go automatic car wash system directly to see clearly how the machine operates, what's its functional, and we will advise in detail on the model that best suits your current capital. Go&Go not only sell machines, but also accompanies you throughout the business journey, from installation, transfer to operation to marketing support, so you can truly feel secure when investing. As you can see, the capital to open an automatic car wash is not fixed at the single number, but will be flexible depending on the need, location, and orientation of each person. And certainly with Go&Go companionship, you will find the right and the most effective path for yourself.